Welcome to Top Gears, your destination for automotive stories, legends, and innovations from around the world. Today, we revisit a name that once ruled Indian roads, the Ambassador, and explore its bold 2014 revival, the Ambassador Nova. The legacy of the Ambassador. For decades, the Hindustan Ambassador stood as a symbol of power, reliability, and pride. From political convoys to family trips, it was the face of India's automobile era. But by the early 2000s, the Ambassador began losing ground to modern sedans and hatchbacks. Sales declined, technology lagged, and the car that once dominated the streets faded into nostalgia. Then came 2014, and with it, an ambitious attempt to revive a legend, the Ambassador Nova. The return of a legend. In 2014, Hindustan Motors introduced the Ambassador Nova as a redesigned, more contemporary version of the classic model. The goal was clear: retain the old-world charm while adding a modern touch. The Nova carried forward the Ambassador's iconic silhouette but with refined detailing, smoother curves, updated headlamps, and improved interiors. It was meant to appeal both to loyal fans and a new generation of car buyers looking for vintage appeal with everyday usability. Design and features. The Ambassador Nova featured an upgraded dashboard with a more ergonomic layout, improved air conditioning, and enhanced sound insulation for a quieter cabin. While the overall body shape remained unmistakably Ambassador, subtle design changes made it feel refreshed. Chrome touches, body-colored bumpers, and improved upholstery gave it a premium feel compared to its predecessors. It was not just about nostalgia, it was an effort to bridge the past and present. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Nova was equipped with a 1.5-liter diesel engine, delivering modest power but impressive durability, a hallmark of the brand. The focus was never on speed, but on reliability and comfort. The suspension remained soft and forgiving, perfect for Indian roads. While it lacked the high-end performance of modern sedans, it offered the unmistakable Ambassador ride: stable, smooth, and commanding. Challenges and legacy. Despite its improvements, the Ambassador Nova faced an uphill battle. The Indian car market had evolved rapidly, and competition from global brands was fierce. Buyers now demanded cutting-edge features and stylish designs that the Nova couldn't fully match. Production eventually ceased, marking the end of an era. Yet, the Ambassador Nova remains a respectful farewell, a modern salute to an icon that shaped India's automotive history. Closing thoughts. The Ambassador Nova 2014 was more than a car, it was a tribute to a legend. While it didn't reignite the brand's dominance, it preserved the spirit of the Ambassador: timeless, dependable, and proudly Indian. You've been watching Top Gears. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the world of